Hey friends, good morning. So last night you would have seen Reed and Sophia make Forky. Today we're still home. I'm not sure if he told you or not, but yesterday I took her to the doctor because she was just throwing up so much I didn't know what was going on. Turns out she has a stomach bug, so I kept her home again today. Last night they made Forky. Let me show you Forky now. Here's his base. Here's his mouth. Here's Forky. He still has his eyeballs in his hands, but that's it. And these are his feet. So she had a good time with Forky this morning. So I'm about to make some pancakes. She is doing some window clings. I'm just gonna let her put them on the mirror. I thought they would stick on the door, but they're not. So here, you have to peel them off. And mommy peel them off. There you go. Yep, just like that. So this should keep her busy for a little while. Ooh, here you go. Maybe I'll take those all off for her. But yeah, guys, that's it. Just since we're home today, might as well vlog. So it's a pretty day out. I think it's pretty cold though. Yeah, it's kind of gray. Wind is blowing, but feels good in here. So I'm gonna charge the battery because it says that the battery is dead, but it's recording, so I don't know. So yeah, talk to you soon. All right, guys, breakfast is served. Sophia's some extra. She is over here decorating our front door with her magnets. With her magnets. Where's what at? Oh yeah, your yeah. And so she's been doing this. But yeah, are you ready to eat?
Yes, Dad.
Yes, you're all done?
No, this bit is warm.
Oh, okay. Well, mommy's ready to eat.
Okay.
You want to eat with mommy? Oh, you're busy. All right. We'll check in later. Go ahead.
Hey, friends.
Hey, friends. We're back.
We're with the Play-Doh.
What are we going to play with?
Those Play-Dohs.
Play-Doh. We're going to play with Play-Doh.
Hey, guys. What's up?
Hey, guys. What's up?
Oh, this Play-Dohs.
Okay. Let's go. We got to put this on pause. What are we watching?
Bias.
Raya. Well, we don't have to put it on pause. We'll just turn it down. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna play with some Play-Doh. color is this? What is this one?
Red.
This one. No, you just said it. What is this?
I have a yellow. Oopsie.
This is green.
Blue.
This is,
Yellow.
yes. This is,
This. Blue.
yes. This is,
Green.
nope, look again.
Red.
Yes. Very good. This one is,
Red.
nope, look again.
Blue.
Don't guess.
That's right. Blue.
This one
Blue.
or this one? Which one's green?
Yellow.
Yeah. So which one's green?
Green.
Yes. Which one's red?
Red.
Which one's blue?
Blue.
Good. Which one's blue?
Blue.
Which one?
Blue.
Which one's red?
Red.
Yeah. Which one's red?
Red.
And which one's this?
Blue.
Look again.
Red.
Which one's red?
Blue. Red.
Oh, it has a little red on it, but it's not red. What is this one?
Yellow.
Yes. Which one is green?
Green.
Yes. Which one is blue?
Blue.
Which one? Point to it. Can you touch blue? Very good. High five. Yeah. So smart. Say, I am smart. I am pretty. I am loving. I am kind. I am brave. I am strong. I am enough. You want to do the hand motions with me? I am smart. I am pretty. I am loving. I am kind. I am strong. I am brave. I am enough. Good girl. Guess who's home?
Mr. Moore, officially home. I went to the dentist today after work, worked a little bit of overtime, and got some work done on my teeth because they were hurting. So I got all that squared away. Now I'm home to see my baby and my baby. That's what Dr. Miles Monroe says.
Oh, really?
Your wife's your baby. He can explain it, because I don't know how to explain it, but it sounded good.
Okay.
But yeah, so I came home to these two lovely ladies, lady and baby, making all types of Play-Doh. Look at this.
Hot dog.
Hot dog Play-Doh. Ooh, can I eat one?
Hey, I didn't get none.
Can mommy have some?
Mmm. Ooh.
That's tasty. Here, Sophia. Here. Is that good? Okay. I guess I started something crazy.
I'll say. Thanks. Alrighty.